As FNSS, we have a very strong footprint in Saudi Arabia for almost 20 years, starting with the modernization of the track vehicles back in 1995. Here today, in World Defense Show, we are presenting two of our best-in-class vehicles in their respective categories, one tracked and one wheeled vehicle. I would like to start with Kaplan Fire Support and Reconnaissance Vehicle. This vehicle is actually designed as a medium tank, which means, very basically, half the weight of a main battle tank, the full firepower of a main battle tank, and from the price, from the overall cost, it's again less than the half of a main battle tank. As you know, in the current battles and conflicts, the number of the systems you are deploying to the battleground is much more important than their functionalities because of the drones and the ever-changing environments in the battlefield. As you have a very fast, very agile, same or more firepower in an affordable manner, you have a big advantage. So we have developed our medium weight tank, which is around 35 tons and can supply 105 or 120 millimeter firepower to the front line. We are presenting two-man turrets with a 30 millimeter gun, which is named Teber-2, completely developed by FNSS. It also has anti-tank capabilities together with its main firepower and a 7.62 secondary gun. So there are also anti-drone and very close range defense system on top of it as an active protection system. Let me introduce our second vehicle, the Pars Alpha 8x8, the best-in-class vehicle in its category. This vehicle has been designed especially for the Turkish and Saudi requirements coming from numerous iterations. It has the best-in-class protection, the highest under-armor volume, the highest payload capability, together with the excellent mobility. We have tested this vehicle with the Turkish Army and SSB for about 2 years in terms of mobility, in terms of the durability and the protections. And proudly saying, this vehicle came out the best in class, both in Saudi Arabia and also in the Turkish competition. The vehicle is a completely modular configuration. It can carry various weapon platforms, including a 50 caliber remote weapon station, a two-man turret, even a full 120 millimeter or 105 main battle tank equivalent firepower. The vehicle has a unique design, including the power pack completely in the front, not in the front right, completely in the front, so that the driver and commander can keep their side-by-side positioning for situational awareness. All the dismounts and the gunner is also within the same compartment, so that the direct eye communication and the under-armor protection, superior protection of the crew members are guaranteed in this vehicle. So, of course, these vehicles are complemented with the respective superior weapon stations. I would like to show two of them. The first one is this one you see, the Chaka turret, which is designed by FNSS, a 30 millimeter plus anti-tank missile stabilized system included. This is a remote control turret with a very high firepower supporting the troops which are dismounted to the front line. The other version of this turret, which is completely concentrating on the anti-tank configuration, is Sancak 80. This is equipped with Roketsan OMTAS missile configuration, which can fire 2 missiles consecutively in order to engage with the targets. I would like to show you some configurations which are already being deployed to Turkish Army. The first one is the Pars 8x8, Pars Alpha 8x8, with a 35mm FNSS designed turret with anti-tank capabilities. The second one, which is selected by the Turkish Army for the 6x6 configuration, equipped with an, again, FNSS designed remote weapon station on top of it. Apart from those, we are working on a new vehicle. I would like to show you in a close look. So, the first vehicle I have introduced you is the Kaplan MT, which has a power pack in the rear engine configuration. So, the power pack is in the back, the third is in the front, so it can depress its barrel and fire from inclined positions. However, for APC, you need the power pack to be in the front. So we are now designing this vehicle to meet the Turkish Army and the Saudi Land Forces requirements, which will have, again, superior protection when compared to the similar vehicles, with less weight than them and a higher under armor volume than them. It will be thanks to our new innovative design for the protection of the crew and dismounts. Last but not the least is our marine assault vehicle, which is already in the inventory of the Turkish Navy. This vehicle is launched from TCG Anadolu, landing helicopter dock ship, to the assault pitches so that the vehicle can also move forward with its tracked vehicle configuration to deeper in the assault region.